Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing May's Base BoxyCharm. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for sending this month's box. Let's just open it up. So the theme for this month is Super Bloom, hence the makeup look. Remember that the base box always has 5 full-size products. The first brand being Skin Inc. Supplement Bar. This is the Serum Glow Filter Hydra Micro Capsule. It comes in a white box and a lovely rose gold packaging. You can actually see through. It isn't glass, it's all plastic. Those little rose gold dots are actually capsules. It has a different locking mechanism, which is a clear cap so you get no spills. This is a unique serum with rare gold hibiscus extract that acts as a makeup base to smooth and even skin tone while helping provide brightening and anti-aging benefits. It also helps make pores less visible and gives a pearl finish. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables extra light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as primer to brighten skin, even skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of lines. The little rose gold capsules actually breaks into white pieces, but as you blend it out, it will dissolve into your skin and just look so naturally glowy. It looks a little bit thick when you pump it, but it is very lightweight on your skin. This little guy retails for $50. The next item is by the brand Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA/BHA Resurfacing Serum with honey and prickly pear. I love this stuff. I have the other one right here. This is the one that I've been using. This resurfacing hydrating body serum softens rough skins and helps eliminate bumps with 10% lactic acid plus 2% BHA. It helps improve texture and tone for smoother, glowing skin. Apply to skin, use nightly 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent use. Slight tingly may be experienced. Do not use on face. Avoid application directly after shaving. And I love this for my arms and for my legs because when I wax, I tend to get a little bit of bumps here on my arms, and this actually helps smooth it out and actually just prevent from happening. I don't apply it right after I wax, nor apply it directly onto my shaved legs. I apply it the next day. It actually smells like honey, and well, this guy eliminates my bumps, so if I have little lumps on my legs that I tend to have because of an allergy reaction, it goes away. It actually helps it. So this is a must for me. This little guy retails for $40. Next, we have a product by the brand Basic Beauty, which I did not know about. This is an eyeshadow primer. This eyeshadow primer has a very sticky formula, but not a bad sticky formula. It actually blends in on your eyelids. It actually intensifies your eyeshadow. This is an eyelid primer formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts for up to 12 hours. Smooth evenly onto eyelids with fingertips prior to applying eyeshadow. I did not have a problem, maybe because, like I said, I didn't go back to the first layer of primer I applied. So here is my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is somewhat pigmented, but I don't think it would last on its own because it's a very light lilac. I actually love the way it made it look, and it's kept it for so long already. This little guy retails for $18. Next, we have the Ciate London, and this is a dewy blush glossy cheek tint. This is in the color Coconut. It's like a nude lipstick, a brown tone nude lipstick. It smells like vanilla. This gel balm tint applies smoothly and evenly for a soft hint of color, blending effortlessly for a soft focus finish. This tint adds a dewy glass-like sheen for a healthy flush of color. This is also formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit. I'm not going for a natural look right now. I don't know, it feels a little bit too oily for me. So I did set it with some translucent setting powder. It's still there, you can see it. It's a beautiful color. It definitely will be better if I use it on days where I don't use so much powder because it stays sticky. Like if I were to touch this area, it's pretty sticky. Like my hair, look, my hair is gonna stay. My hair sticks to this area because it's sticky. So we're gonna try it again on a day where I'm just gonna do a natural look. This little guy retails for $22. Next we have a brand I had not heard about and is actually new to BoxyCharm. This is a V Cosmetic, spelled with a K. It was very intriguing to find this brand because it's actually a Canadian brand. I did not know that, but now I do. This is a liquid velvet lipstick in the shade Bubbly. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. It actually is everything it says to be. It's creamy, it's lightweight, and it's long-wearing. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's been a while. It's not going anywhere. It is not transfer-proof, but it doesn't claim to be transfer-proof, so. But I really like the color. This pink has like a blue undertone to it and I love it because it just makes your teeth look whiter. I like the fact that it's a liquid velvety matte lipstick. It's comfortable to wear on the lips. It's not drying. It transferred, but the color is still there. It's still pigmented. This little guy retails for $22. And this last item I'm about to show you did not come in any of the base boxes. It was just a test product. We got this little guy. This is by the brand Refreshments. Just by looking at this box, it's just so pretty. I love the box. I love the pattern on it. Like, it has two different patterns, but it's so pretty. Like, I get it, it's a box, but it's pretty, okay? And this is a dazzling 5-blade razor kit in the color Pink Bubbly. You get a little flyer here, all the products that they sell: deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, shaving cream, hand cream, pearly body mask. They sell a lot of things. Oh, apparently wipes, cleansing face wipes. So if you don't know this brand, make sure to check them out. I'm so happy I got this color because I did see that there was, I think, silver, and I got the rose gold. This whole section here in my corner, it's rose gold vibes. So you got rose gold everywhere. This is actually a little bit heavy than, I guess, any woman razor because there's a magnet here. The weighted handle elevates blades, preventing slime. Inverted storage designed to keep blades fresh and dry. There's 2 cartridges in here, one which I already opened. It actually kind of reminds me of the I'm Your Venus packaging for the razors. It's actually pink. It's so pretty. Soothing strips prevent bumps and burn, and click-on attachment allows for an easy replacement. This little guy is a magnetic wall mount. This sleek mount sticks to any surface and connects magnetically to your handle for an inverted drip dry. So this little guy has a 3M sticker on the back, so you will peel it off and put it in your shower. I'm assuming somewhere where it doesn't get so wet. And then it clips to the bottom of the razor. It holds pretty well. I mean, you're not gonna be shaking, right? It's gonna be in the wall. So my legs are a whole process. I did use this with what I usually use, which is conditioner. Yes, hair conditioner. It's helped my legs so much because before I used to use soap, and I've used shaving creams before that don't work for me. The best thing that I've used and that so far has worked for me is conditioner. So the strip is great part. It's actually very hydrating, so it was sliding very smoothly, and 5 blades, oh my god, it got all my hairs. My skin is soft. I definitely recommend you try it out. You will not regret this. And that is everything that we got this month. My favorite item has got to be the Farmacy Honey Moon Glow Body and the razor. I cannot pass on the razor. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item this month, and also let me know your thoughts on this makeup look. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye! Brand Skin Ink supplement. Coconut. This is what? This is what? There is 2 cartridges. How do you say that? Cartridge. There's 2 cartridges. There's 2 cartridges. I can't say it without laughing. Cartridges. I can't do it.